in this video I'll show you what to do in case your Apple Watch is not charging. So there's a few different tricks that you can do. Let's start with the easiest one. So the first thing you need to do is, well, remove it from the charger, and you need to keep press this button and the crown both at the same time until you see the Apple logo appearing on the display. So let me do it with you. I'm keeping both of these buttons pressed and I'm looking at the display that will shut down. And just in a few seconds, the Apple logo will come up. This is a forced restart. Nothing will be deleted. In case this is a software issue, it will be solved by doing this. Okay, the Apple logo came, so I can remove my fingers. Now, simply wait around a minute or two and start charging your watch. Fortunately, after doing this, it will work. Now, if this didn't solve any issue, what I suggest also is, if it's possible, if you have somebody else with an Apple Watch around you, try using the charger you're using to charge the watch on their watch. If it's not working, well, the problem is this, it's not your watch. If you can use another charger on your Apple Watch, just to make sure again that the problem is coming from the charger and not the device itself. Also, it's important just to make sure that everything is plugged completely in, so, in case it wasn't. Another thing to verify is if the back of your Apple Watch is clean and if your charger is also clean. Just take a microfiber and scrub really well both of them, just in case the problem was that there was no contact between them because there was some dirt or other things that got stuck over there. And then you can try again. If this didn't solve your issue after trying everything I showed you till now, another thing that you can try, other than getting another charger, because obviously this is also a solution, again, maybe this was the issue, is to update your Apple Watch. So press the crown, go into the settings, go down, select General, Software Update. It will check if there is an update available. If there is one, install it. And finally, if you're still having issues, nothing is working, you got a new charger, this is not the issue, it's still not doing its thing, you can do a reset of the watch. Obviously, everything will get deleted and you will have to set it up again. But after all, it will be like brand new. And if it's not an hardware issue, it should work after doing this. So in the settings, go down and select General, go all the way down and select Reset, erase all content and settings, go down and select Erase All. It will start, it will take a minute or two, and then you'll have to set up your Apple Watch again, and fortunately your charging problem will be gone. If one of these tricks worked, let me know in the comments down below, or if it didn't, I want to know as well, so write a comment, I won't be mad. Leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.